Hello, everypony. This is Rarity here, and with me today are Scarlet Streak and Red Raven. Hey, what's up? And they have been begging me to watch this episode of season 24 with them. Yeah, because we saw it, because we didn't see it yet, but we heard it's super cool. And plus it's Super Dog Lover 1's favorite episode from season 24. Well, let's not waste any more time on it, shall we? Let's get this started. You do the honors, Rarity, since James is your engine friend after all. Oh, all right. All right, let's do it.
James the Super Engine.
James the Super Engine? You'll love it.
Thank you. No, it's too much, really. Keep it down. I wouldn't want the other engines getting jealous.
They're not cheering for you, James. They're cheering at their new comic book. It's the Red Shadow. He can fly at supersonic speed, has superhuman strength, and wears a red super cape.
Oh,
Does he
a
now?
superhero-themed episode? With my Jamesy?
Anyone in
Yep.
the station could be a hero in disguise right now.
Ooh.
Wonder if I have superpowers too.
Ooh,
Knows,
maybe so,
James? Maybe
Jamesy.
you do.
Just think. Me, the world's first super engine.
Oh boy. Oh. Oh dear. Rebecca! Oh dear. Won't someone help this poor engine?
Da-da-da-da!
Ah!
Never fear! Rail Rocket is here!
Rail Rocket.
Buffer plates! That engine's in trouble!
Oh.
I must save her!
Ha ha. Oh no! Rebecca! Oh no! Whoa! My goodness! I know, right?
My hero.
Look out!
Huh? What? Oh no! Not again! Oh! Oh dear! Well, at least it didn't get all over him.
Sorry about that.
Sorry? Just look at my paintwork. It's a mess.
Aw.
Now I'll have to go to the washdown and get cleaned up.
Oh, come on. It's not that bad. At least it didn't cover all of you.
Oh, just look at me.
He looks like he's wearing a mask.
Just look
A
at
superhero
me. I look
mask.
like the Rail Rocket. That's it. Maybe I am a super engine after all. I need to patrol the railway. Never fear. Rail Rocket is here.
Oh, at least take your passengers first, Jamesy.
Meanwhile, down at the docks.
Oh
there,
dear, look at poor Percy.
Are you sure you could manage all those heavy coal cars by yourself?
Of course I can. I could shut twice this amount if I wanted to.
He clearly is struggling and he's not even moving an inch.
It was a sunny day.
Oh, looks like he listened to you, Rarity.
Well. But
Oh.
little did anyone know that hidden in the shadows, danger was lurking.
Oh,
Thankfully, Rail Rocket was on hand, ready for anyone in need of... What was that?
Oh.
Did my super hearing just detect a cry for... A distress call?
Oh.
Someone's in trouble.
oh my.
Da-da-da-da!
Oh.
Never fear! Rail Rocket is here! Where's the trouble? Is it a raging storm? A runaway train? A broken bridge?
Our new kite is stuck in a tree.
A kite? Stuck up a tree?
You might have guessed.
Worry not! Luckily, I have my super funnel with me!
Oh? Oh! It actually worked for once.
Now, I must fly! Sodor is calling! Da-da-da-da!
Ooh.
Not only does Rail Rocket
Guess he made a good impression on the
Danger.
kids.
He senses it before it's even become dangerous.
Huh?
Did my super hearing just detect a distress spell? Someone's in trouble. I must assist them immediately.
Oh, I have to admit though, James does sound heroic.
Never fear, Rail Rocket is here.
What? Go, Bells?
Oh, come on.
Oh dear,
So much for
Jamesy.
Sodor calling. There's never a disaster when you need one. I've had it with being a super engine.
Aww.
I'm going to get cleaned up and return to my old normal life.
Oh, Jamesy. Well, at least you didn't have a crash this time. Very true, Scarlet Streak.
Run away!
Percy! Oh no!
Stop!
Oh!
Percy!
Oh no! Ah! Oh no! Percy! Oh no! Oh no! Move, Rebecca! Move!
What's the point of being a super engine if they don't even need my... Exactly. Any engine could have... Wait, did I just hear a cry for...
Yes, you did!
That sounds like Rebecca. She's in trouble. Real trouble.
Go, Rail Rocket, go! Go, Rail Rocket! Why won't she know? She's probably out of coal, Red Raven! Oh,
Real Rocket is here.
completely out! Oh. He did it! Ah! Just in time! Yes!
Rail Rocket is here to protect you.
Whoa!
Now, if you'll excuse me, I must fly. Sodor is calling.
Whoa!
Rail Rocket!
Most awesome climax ever
Then he burst through the coal
of any
and
Thomas and
pushed
Friends
Rebecca to
episode.
safety.
Did I miss anything?
Oh, James, we had our very own super engine. He was called Rail Rocket.
Oh,
Indeed.
he sounds quite the character.
I wonder who he was. Who knows? He could be just about anyone.
Da 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 da.
He'll never tell. Of course. The end! Oh, girls, that was absolutely outstanding! I knew you'd love it, Rarity. Me too. Oh, thank you both for allowing me to watch this with you. I think this is my new favorite episode from season 24. What was your first? I forget now. Who cares? Anyway, we hope you all enjoyed this as much as we did. This has been Scarlet Streak, Rarity, and Red Raven saying farewell, YouTubers. Da 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 da!